here's going to be our makeshift window holder or window/door holder for the chicken coop. So just two pieces of random metal that we came across. So the idea here is this will be connected to the chicken house. Get these together and the window will just slide back and forth right behind this piece. So just making up a random thing out of some random stuff we have so that we can get the meat hens over into the big pen. Right, we are going to attempt to move these 15 4-week-old chickens across the yard to their outdoor pen, and the plan is just hope they follow the feed, I guess. I feel like we're just gonna have 15 chickens randomly loose in the yard.
Seven?
I don't think the food's gonna work, no. Maybe we'll try a box.
Alright. Okay, thank you. Hold on for a second. A little bit of weight to them.
I would say, yeah. There's 7 in there, I think. Seems like they're resisting.
Here you go, fellas.
Relax, guys.
You can't fly, buddy. Oh God, look at that is, yeah.
Oh, there's 7 of the 15. They can't figure it out. You're gonna have to help them. That wasn't too bad. Got all 15 of them moved.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully like their new enclosure. These guys are adjusting really good to the outside pen there. And of course they can just go back in and out through the day. All they're interested in, of course, is the feed bucket. So I guess mission accomplished there on getting these guys moved over to the bigger location for them. Alright, well thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave us a comment, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend.